If you're seeing the Epic Games message that says, sorry, your account is inactive and may not log in, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to deal with this error, what usually causes it, and the important steps you should take right away to improve your chances of getting back into your account. This issue often means your account may be locked, disabled, or flagged for a security reason, so the main fix is to contact Epic Games player support as soon as possible. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and tutorials. First, before you do anything else, stop trying random password resets over and over if the account is showing as inactive. That message usually means the problem is not just a simple login typo. Instead, open your browser and go to the official Epic Games support website. Once you're there, look for the help or support section and choose the option to submit a ticket. This is the most important step because Epic Games support is the team that can actually review your account status and tell you why it was deactivated or restricted. When you create the ticket, explain the issue clearly. Tell them that you are getting the message, sorry, your account is inactive and may not log in. Include your Epic Games account email, your display name if you remember it, and any details about when the problem started. If you received any security alerts or emails from Epic, mention those too. The more accurate information you provide, the easier it is for support to verify your account and respond faster. Now, while you're waiting for a reply, there are a few preventative steps you should check on your side. First, disable any VPN you may be using. Epic Games can sometimes flag unusual login activity if a VPN changes your location or network pattern, and that can interfere with account access. So turn off the VPN completely, close your launcher or browser, and try logging in again from your normal internet connection. Next, verify your email account. Open the inbox connected to your Epic Games account and look for any security warnings, login alerts, or account notices from Epic Games. Sometimes the reason your account is inactive is related to a security review or an email verification step that you may have missed. Check your spam, promotions, and junk folders as well, just in case the message was filtered out. If you find an email from Epic Games asking you to confirm your account or review a security alert, follow those instructions carefully. Use only the official links from the email or from the Epic Games website. Don't click on suspicious links from anywhere else. Keeping your email secure and up to date is one of the best ways to avoid login problems in the future. If you're still unable to sign in after disabling the VPN and checking your email, that's another sign that the account itself needs support review. At that point, your best move is to wait for Epic Games player support to respond to your ticket, rather than repeatedly guessing passwords or creating new accounts. Support may ask for proof of ownership or more account details, so be ready to answer those questions clearly. Also, make sure you're using the correct login method. If your Epic account was originally created with Google, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, or another linked service, try signing in the same way you normally did. Sometimes users think their account is inactive when they're actually using the wrong sign-in provider, so double check that before assuming the account is fully locked. The key takeaway here is simple. When Epic Games says your account is inactive and may not log in, the real fix is to contact player support immediately and submit a ticket. Then, while you wait, remove anything that could trigger login security issues like a VPN and check your email for important account messages. That combination gives you the best chance of resolving the issue quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more gaming troubleshooting videos. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up guide on how to write the perfect Epic Games support ticket to get a faster response.